the system. And this particular one here is 3/4 inch. And if you want to, you can run 3/4 inch, and you can also run 1 inch pipe up into the drain itself. In this particular case, I'm just going to use 3/4 inch. That should be sufficient. And again, this is the discharge 90. This is the end that comes out and pushes all the waste out and up into the system. And this will push it up from specs at least 16 to 15 feet vertical and over 100 feet or more horizontally. So that gives you some idea that this can really be used almost anywhere, because this got quite a bit of force to remove the waste, and you don't have to have the